Oh, hey boys and girls, it's Saturday the 15th of January 2022. Just got done leaking my brain, pouring my left side out. This is tonight, that's a bronze metallic. Gonna make a frog for my wife Lisa, every color I have. Why not? They're cute and I need the color. So this is the latest. Some silicone oil over here. They're still moving, so they'll probably be a little bit different in the morning when I get up and check on them. So that's tonight's batch. This is just things I did yesterday. I demolded them. It's weird. Like this one's upside down. That's the bottom. So all the heavier paints, like the gold and the white, have a different density, and they sink to the bottom. It's really a trip. It's like 3D art. And but I'll clean these up a little bit still, but it's okay. Keeps me out of the bars. And some more. These are alcohol inks. Once again, they're still traveling, doing their thing. So they'll look a lot different in the morning when I check on them. Yeah, enjoy. Get back to some more acrylic painting, probably tomorrow. I want to do a 3-piece, big one for my wife. And see how it goes. If you enjoy the videos, please give me a like or thumbs up or share or whatever the heck you do on YouTube these days. Take care.